It's been a momentous morning where we have done the groundbreaking of our Miran housing project, which we intend to have 450 units developed by the time we complete our 3 phases, done by the Safaricom Investment Co-operative, your investment partner of choice in East Africa. We are here today because of the support that we have received from the county government, the Ministry of Cooperatives, and various other partners who have shown us the commitment and the support. Of course, as we do construction projects, there are a few areas of support that we will be seeking out with the ministry and the central government around approvals, around enablement on inputs to the various construction activities. But we, as the Safaricom Investment Co-operative, are committed to support the government in its ambition to release over 250,000 units, housing units per year at an affordable rate. The project here is going to be affordable with our price ranges, in the range of 2 million to around 5 million. And we expect that this will serve the community that the government is looking to address. We are glad that from May, when we launched the project at the Mobile Peak in Westlands, we have had over 100 people actually committing money to this project, even before we broke the ground. And that shows the appetite that is there today for such units. The county government of Kiambu has been supportive. The central government has developed Kiambu County, opened it up among the metro towns around Nairobi County, with the roads and other infrastructure were quite well done. You might be aware the sewer system here is also being done. So there is a lot of investment. But beyond that, we also see this county, especially this area, Rwaka, being very, very versatile. We have a lot of diplomatic missions around, which also drive the demand in this area.
Is fully funded. We have organized for financing, and our investors should rest assured that nothing of that sort where you invest in a project then you realize it's not of taking. So with Safaricom Investment Co-operative, we assure our investors that the project is fully funded.